Hello and welcome to Markets Daily. I'm Zohaib Fazil. What a fantastic rally in Nifty today. It's third day in a row that Nifty has created such bullish candles, such strong bullish candles that no one would have expected such candles being created in the last week. In fact, 19,000 was a resistance that the markets broke quite easily. And I was expecting 19,000 to not be like a very strong resistance zone for the markets. But I was expecting 19,100 to be like a resistance that will not be easily broken. But the markets proved me wrong as well, and then it broke 19,100 quite easily, and in fact also reached to 19,200 levels today. And this was a broad-based rally. I think all the sectoral indices participated in this rally apart from metals, which was a tad lower. But what a rally in the IT index as well as the auto index. IT index, I was expecting that the short covering would start in this index, considering that the last quarter hasn't been quite well for the IT index, and those who would have shorted the IT index would be sitting on healthy gains, so they would be booking the profits now, considering that we are heading into the next month with the earnings season. And IT as a sector normally starts the earnings season by declaring results early. So with all those things, it was expected that IT would see some kind of short covering. Apart from that, there is a news about HDFC and HDFC Bank being merged. I mean, the news was long back, but then the effective date would be 1st of July. So next, during the next month, again, both the companies will merge together, and the combined market capitalization of HD and HDFC Bank would be the fourth largest in the world. Just below Bank of America, with JP Morgan Chase being the company with the most, with being the private bank with the highest market capitalization. I mean, we can't talk about new highs without the institutional figures. FIIs have bought shares worth over 6,000 crores today, and DIIs have bought shares, worth about 1,200 crores today, taking the net institutional figure at about 7,200 crores. In fact, this rally has been because of the FII buying. I think last week and this week, FII have been on the buying spree, with the total buy figures for the month for FII being about 27,000 crores, and DIIs at about 4,000 crores. So fantastic buying by the FIIs, resulting in new highs being claimed by the markets. Apart from that, nothing major to highlight. The levels for the next week is something that I will research on during the weekend, and then share across in the markets weekly video. I work in a corporate sector, so I have a job from morning to evening. So I just came back home, and then thought about making this video so that people can benefit and can also have an idea about what were things that basically move the market. I mean, today again, broad-based rally, all the indices participating. HDFC Bank have done really well. Both were up by over 1.5%. Reliance doing extremely good today. Auto sector, I think Maruti was up by about 3.5%. Broad-based rally, fantastic. 3 days in a row that the markets have been quite bullish. Expecting next week, at least the month of at least Monday being a day when the markets should consolidate. But then as said, I will do more research on that, and then get back in my markets weekly video. Thank you all for joining, and have a nice weekend. Take care. Bye.